You don't need a big yard to grow your own food. A single pot on a windowsill, a few containers on a balcony, or even a bucket on a patio, any space can become a garden. The magic is that growing food fits into the smallest corners of our lives. Welcome to the Seed to Feast Challenge 3 months, from seed to your own homegrown meal. This isn't about becoming a farmer overnight. It's about connecting with your food and enjoying the process. Imagine snipping fresh herbs for dinner or picking a sun-warmed tomato you grew yourself. We'll break it down step by step, so you never feel overwhelmed. We'll focus on easy, rewarding plants: lettuces, radishes, cherry tomatoes, basil, and mint. No fancy tools needed, just a bit of enthusiasm. This is about discovering the gardener within you and taking a small step toward a more sustainable life. Let's prove a bountiful harvest can come from the most unexpected places. Your personal feast is just 3 months away. Month 1 is all about beginnings, choosing seeds and giving them a home. Pick what you love to eat: salad greens, herbs like basil and mint, or speedy radishes. Start seeds in small pots, yogurt cups, or egg cartons with compost. Place them on a sunny windowsill and water gently. Now wait and watch. Soon, tiny green shoots will appear. This is a lesson in patience and observation. Notice how the soil dries and when to water. You're not just growing food, you're building a relationship with nature. Each day, check your seedlings and enjoy the quiet hope of new life. By the end of the month, your seedlings will have their first true leaves. You've coaxed life from a dormant seed. Your windowsill is now a thriving nursery. The journey has truly begun. Month 2 is for growth. Your seedlings need more space. Gently transplant them into bigger pots, window boxes, or hanging baskets. Get creative. Use vertical space, hang planters, or try companion planting. Mix herbs, veggies, and flowers for a beautiful, resilient mini ecosystem. Water regularly. Containers dry out fast. Watch as new leaves unfurl and flowers begin to form. This daily care is calming and rewarding. You'll see bees and pollinators visit, turning your small space into a haven for nature. Your garden is flourishing, and you're one step closer to harvest. Enjoy the lush greenery and look forward to the feast ahead. Month 3, harvest time. Your garden gives back snipped lettuce leaves as needed, and they'll keep growing. Herbs like basil and mint thrive with regular picking. Use them often. The flavor of homegrown produce is unmatched. For tomatoes or peas, harvesting is a daily treasure hunt. Eating a sun-warmed tomato straight from the vine is pure joy. Small, frequent harvests mean a steady supply for your meals. Every bite is a celebration of your effort and care. You've turned a small space into a productive oasis. This is just the beginning. Your growing journey can start again anytime. You've seen how a tiny seed can become a feast in just 3 months. A garden's size doesn't matter, your effort does. Any sunny spot can become a place of abundance. Start your own Seed to Feast challenge. Just 1 or 2 pots is enough. Choose plants you love and enjoy the simple, rewarding process. Growing food empowers you and reconnects you with nature. The routine of watering and harvesting brings calm and joy. Don't wait for the perfect time or space. The time is now. Embrace the challenge and discover the satisfaction of homegrown food. Your garden is waiting. Let the journey begin.